how to make gallery smaller in Notion. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your gallery smaller in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss out any crucial steps. So let's get right into it. First, open up your browser and head over to Notion. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. I recommend using the Continue with Google option, super fast and convenient, especially if you're already using a Google account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific page that contains the gallery view you want to adjust. Open up that page and scroll to the gallery section. Now, this is where the magic happens. On the top right corner of your gallery view, look for the settings icon that's the More Options menu. Click on that, and then select Layout from the drop-down menu. Inside the layout settings, you'll see an option for card size. By default, it's probably set to medium, but you can change it to small or large depending on how compact or spacious you want the view to be. If you're aiming for a cleaner, more minimal look, or just want to fit more cards on your screen, go with the small card size. And that's it. Just like that, you've resized your Notion gallery. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference when it comes to the overall look and feel of your workspace. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up and stick around for more Notion tips coming soon. Thanks for watching.